Okay, I'm going to give a year review for 2022 for Grim Workshops. I was extremely happy. Yes, there was some stuff I'm like, and I do wish they would do less hooks, honestly. I mean, yeah, you could possibly use the hooks for whatever, but I'm I'm just thinking about what if you live in a city and you get this subscription, right? Either way, it I feel it's a good subscription if you're on a budget and you're like, well, I'm a survivalist, I need good quality stuff, and I only have like maybe $20 to spend. Basically, that means it's like maybe $14, $15 plus shipping and handling. It's actually, it really is $20 a month, straight up flat 20 as of this recording. Now I want to do a. This is July. This is this month's one. I want to do an overview, and this makes me extremely happy, honestly, because this one really made me happy because you know, and this is the second time or second try doing this because I kept reading this. Who wants to see me do this? Like the video and comment. I do. Okay? Because I've actually been reading the instructions. That's why it's the second one. But yeah. Now, this month, for overview for people who haven't watched it, you got a pocket slingshot sling bow. Which, by the way, actually, now as you see, you got the old one, which I have right here. I bought it myself. I actually bought this one because I was, you know what? This could be a good urban thing because there's usually rocks or whatever, or concrete, little things of concrete or whatever that you can just for self defense. But that's just me. Now I'm gonna tell you. Well, actually, let me show you. Okay, see that? It bends a little bit, but guess what? Still, as you see, isn't bent. It's actually good quality. Definitely the old one is. This one says made in Texas, which this is the one I'm using. The only difference between this one and the one you got in this one subscription is orange. It has just the Grim Workshop. Yeah, had this engraved into it. And by the way, I always love getting these business cards. The greatest of spool. And I've actually used it to make an emergency fishing kit with just like one of the needle, or not needles, but one of the um, hooks and some red um, sewing thread. I don't wear anything red, so it's useless for me. I don't think none of my tents. Oh wait, I have red bags. I got like 1,000 of these things anyway. I got 1,000 sewing kits anyway, so yeah. In case y'all missed it, I just uploaded a thing on these compression bandages. Yeah. The Everlit Survival Emergency Compression Bandage 3-pack. Now, honestly, something that's really helpful for me, because I don't usually have my Swiss Army knife with me. I don't know, I should. This was very good to have. This is the Grim Flat Tweezer Micro Tool. I'm not going to read how to do it because that's going to take like 5 minutes for me to do. But yeah. Now for me, the catching crawfish, that's actually kind of useless for me because if I'm in a survival situation and I'm near pine trees, I'm gonna eat the bark of that and make bark chips and all this. Which, by the way, I got that card about that. Funny enough, in one of the months of this. That's the cool stuff that you get in this subscription for $20. Now, according to the MSRP, $25 for the Slingshot Sling Bow. You know, so you're basically getting in maybe $5.99 for the $6 for the tweezers, $1.85 for each of the cards. That is over $20 value. I never. And here's the thing. Like, I know, you like, people may be like, well, you probably like this because people don't like solo cards and blah blah. I actually genuinely love these. I actually do. And I have not felt ripped off, ever. Oh, dude. I need to get the Signal dog tag. I do. I'll order that after the video. Anyway. Literally, the only complaint I have is way too many. Like, a lot of the time you get, like, from my experience, you get hook cards and all that, which I'm thinking more of this, of urban survival type stuff, more of that. This is useful because if you because I wonder if I can actually ask if they can how much to send me a whole ton of these. I actually like these. They're really cool. And by the way, like, there is where the whole thing is. It hasn't got punched out yet, but that's cool. Even urban, you're like, well, I have sewing stuff. Ooh, that's what I'm gonna do. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'll do it later though. But yeah. Anyway, I gotta say, I'm happy with this month's subscription, to be honest. Especially because I got another Slingshot Sling Bow, which 2 is 1, 1 is none. So, that's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm probably gonna title this overview and such. So yeah, obviously, these are actually really nice to have, as I said. Small. They're not like. And honestly, I find these way more useful than the SHTF mystery box. Honestly, I mean, that's a good subscription right there for like the oh god, the basic box. That's the one that's worth it because that's if you get 5 or 6 things, that's $4 an item, which is a discount. So but honestly, I'm happy with this month, to be honest. And yeah. So if y'all like this video, and if y'all want to see me make this, like and comment I do. If I get enough, it's about 5, 6. I'm definitely doing this. And then I'll somehow test it. See how to make it. Jeez, that is small lettering. Anyway, you like it? Definitely like this video, comment, all that. Peace.